Hello again everybody, welcome again to another paper airplane tutorial. I am Tri and today I'm going to show you guys how to make an awesome paper airplane. It's been a while since I published a video and I finally come up with a hard paper plane. Are you curious why this is a hard paper airplane? Why this is not a long distance plane or is this a jet fighter paper plane? It is very simple. Because I want to give you a small gift that is from my heart. And because Valentine is coming, and I think this small gift would be a great gift for all of you. So you can create a paper plane, give it to your loved ones, your boyfriends, your girlfriends, your relatives, your children, and impress them by throwing the plane and see it come back to you. It's just like a circle of love. When you give something, you will get something. I think I talked too much already, and now let me show you guys how to fold this paper airplane. To make the hard paper airplane, you need a piece of US letter size paper. If you don't have US letter size paper, don't worry, use A4 paper and trim it to the US letter size ratio. And now let's begin. First step, let's fold the paper in half this way. Make sure that all edges are lined up. And then unfold the paper. Flatten the paper as well. Next step, let's start from this upper edge, fold it to the other side. Very simple. And then unfold the paper, repeat the same fold for this side. Now unfold the paper, flatten it down, and flip it over. So this is what you should have at this point. Next step is very simple. Just match this corner to this corner, same thing for the other side, and use this intersection as a reference. I will just go and fold it slowly. And now I can press down the paper. Alright, unfold the paper and flip it over. Now, to make it similar to fold, I will turn the paper this way. I will move it up a little bit so you can see the full piece of paper. Now just match this edge or this crease to the center crease. See? Just fold it, and until both sides are matched, you can press the upper part of the paper down. And you may need to adjust the paper because now it's shifted a little bit. See, I have to adjust it a little bit on this side and the other side and press it down hard. On the following step, it is very simple. You can see both corners from this side and the other side. Let's fold both corners to this tip. So I will just fold this side first and press down the paper and repeat the same fold for the other side. Oh wow, this hard? No, just take out the upper layer and fold up. Now this is what you should have. Perfect. Now unfold the paper, start from this tip again, fold straight to this line. Alright, repeat the same fold for this side. Now fold this layer up, same thing for this side, just fold up. Perfect. Here we go. On the following step, it's pretty simple. I just turn the paper over and then fold this piece of the paper down to hold the head of the plan. Do not fold straight down, okay? You need to give it a small gap between this corner to the edge which you are going to create. Just a small gap should be good. So I'm going to do like this, something like this. And then I press down the paper hard. You can see the heart from this side already. See the heart right here? But when I flip it over, here you go. This is a real heart. To make it look more like a heart, we need to adjust the paper a little bit, right? All the corners should be curved, not just like this. So this upper part of the paper, I can just fold it down. You can see this. I can fold it down a little bit like this. And then I push it inside. Okay. Just careful. Once I finish this side, I repeat the same fold for the other side. Let me fold down just a little bit. And then unfold and press down. Once you finish both sides, let's finish the leftover corner. We have this corner and this corner as well. Just do the same thing. So I just fold it this way. Okay. A little bit should be good. Same thing. I would turn the paper like this so I can fold it easier. This corner fold up, unfold, and then press it in. Here we go. So this is what I have. This is the heart. Once you finish the heart, we need to create the wings of the paper airplane as well. So I fold the paper in half first. Okay, make sure that all edges are lined up, and then I can press the paper down, and then I turn it this way. And then at the end of this edge, I estimate about half an inch, and then about 1 inch along this edge, and I can fold out to create the wings. Okay, almost an inch should be okay. Press the paper down, and then I can flip the paper over like this, and then make the other wings. So just curve the paper because now it's very thick. You need to curve carefully. And then I can press down to create another wings of the plane. Another wings. And then press the paper down. And now unfold the papers. You will see the wings. At the end of the wings, let's create the stabilizers so that the plane will fly. Okay. So at the end of the wings, I will curve up, estimate about half an inch along the edge, and fold up to create stabilizers for the plane. Once you finish this side, repeat the same fold for the other side. So I finished this side already. Once I finish this side, I will fold the paper back and then repeat the same fold for the other side. So just estimate about half an inch and fold the wings up. Open the wings. Okay. Now you should curve the wings up just a bit and adjust the stabilizers. Make sure that it stays straight, okay? Curve a little bit is okay too. Look at this. It looks very balanced. It should be a good paper plan. Okay. And you can see the heart right here too. Now, let's impress your friends or relatives. And here you go. This is the heart paper airplanes. I hope you guys will enjoy making this paper airplane. Don't forget to show it to your loved ones. Like the video as well. share the tutorial with your friends, subscribe my channel, and finally, thank you so much for supporting my channel from day one. Happy Valentine's. Hey guys, this is my new paper airplane. This is one of my most favorite plane because it flies so well and it looks so awesome.